Yo, just got finished shooting a reaction video. You guys check that out soon. But I really wanted to address something. This company, Fifine, hopefully I'm pronouncing that correctly, sent me a microphone to test out. They were like, look, we like your videos. Try this microphone out. Tell us what you think, straight up. I've been testing it out. I did a voiceover for a vlog that I did when I went to go visit Tucson to go see my mom. So I do a voiceover because the end of the video didn't turn out the way I wanted to. So kind of had to include some audio in there. So I used this microphone. You can see here. Use this microphone. I can't express enough how easy this thing is. Like, it comes with the longest freaking cord in the world, which is awesome because if you need to plug something in from all the way over in Mars, you can plug it in and still record. The crazy thing about this product is that sitting in right here, you can see the distance. This is the microphone right here. This is where my mouth is. At least 9 inches, at least. I have a big voice, so I back myself up away a little bit, but this thing packs a punch. My daughter was in the other room across the hall all the way in the back, and I can hear her whispering and talking about some TV show, and she sneezed, and I thought she sneezed like right next to me. It's USB powered, it's small, it's compact, it picks up everything. I would say the only thing that you would probably need is maybe put noise reduction so you don't pick up any of that background noise. But for the most part, it's a cardioid microphone. So you talk directly into it. It doesn't pick anything up from the back or anything like that, but it makes your voice sound crisp and clean. The crazy thing about this is that it's only $14.99 on Amazon. They sent it to me. I saw the price and I'm like, come on, bruh. But then, like, I usually use my Blue Yeti microphone, and I've had this for a while, but the price never really changes. I always have this thing in the screen. People probably wondered what it was. This is my Blue Yeti microphone that I use. It's like $140 on Amazon. If this thing was around when I first started, whenever I needed this from the jump, if I just had this, bruh. So yeah, man, if you're just starting out, voiceovers, podcasts, you're shooting YouTube videos, if you're just starting out on YouTube, and you don't want to break the bank, this right here is a no-brainer. You just plug it in, you just start recording, and it picks everything up, and it's wonderful. This is the Fifine KO50 or KO50. They do, I guess they make a bigger version of their microphone. Y'all more than welcome. Y'all can send me that one too. But this one right here, I'm going to actually just start using to do any type of whatever I got to do. I don't have to plug headphones into it like I do the Yeti. I can just plug this in. I can use headphones or I can not use headphones. I'm just saying, look, I don't really do a lot of promo videos or anything, but I really want to help you guys out, especially anybody out there who's just starting out. You should probably consider checking this out. Customer service is great. Yeah, there's not much else I can say. $14.99? Bro, seriously? Seriously? Anyways, just wanted to drop a short video, let you guys know kind of the tools that I'm getting. I'm going to drop the link to this. If you want to check it out, it'll be my affiliate link with Amazon. If you click on that and purchase it, it really helps out the channel. But you're getting a damn good deal. So check that out in the description. Like the video, comment down below and ask me any questions about it. I can help you out, but it's pretty self-explanatory. It's so versatile. It's compact. You can take it anywhere you want. Yeah, that's it. Just wanted to drop this real quick. Thank you guys for watching all my videos, kicking it with me, kicking it with your boy. And that's it. I'll be right here.